In this video, I'll show you how to buy Robux on iPhone. So to do this, what you want to do is on your iPhone, just open up the Roblox app. And from there in the top right, you want to go and click on the Robux icon, which is between the search icon and bell icon. And then once you do that, you will be able to see your balance and the packages that they offer. Now they have one-time purchases or subscriptions, so just select whichever one you want to do. For example, I'll just go with the 400 Robux one right here. And from there, you need to agree that you are the parent or legal guardian of the account owner and you authorize this purchase and agree to the terms of use. So go and click on OK if that's the case. And then from here, you can see that now there is a one-time charge for whatever amount you have. Unless you have the subscription, then it will be a recurring charge. And once you double click to pay, it will then use your preferred payment method in order to make the payment. Now, if you don't have a payment method set up, then what you can do is go to the App Store and in the top right, click on your initials. Now, if you don't have a payment method set up, what you can then do is open up the Settings app and from there, go and click on your Apple account, so your name. And then here, go to Payment and Shipping. And then from here, you can then select whichever payment methods you want to use, such as, for example, Ideal, or if you click Add Payment Method, you can also add a different payment method. Or for example, I could use PayPal. So from there, just go and confirm the purchase in Roblox and then you will have bought the Robux on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.